Okay guys, it is time for a new update here on the Bitcoin price, and I can already tell you there has been massive volatility within the last couple of days. I was sadly traveling a lot, so I didn't have time to upload videos, but I kept you up to date in my free exclusive content on LeveX. And besides that guys, as everyone knows that is following me actively for free also on LeveX, I am in a short position on Solana. I am in a new Bitcoin short position since the $108,000 level for Bitcoin. Both of these trades already in a realized profit of approximately $14,000. $50,000 or over $50,000 are still in unrealized profit. So the question now is, where do we need to expect the price now to move next? Because as you guys know, we are still keeping our P&L history all profitable at all times for the last 3 months. I had a small fuck up with the Solana trade. I lost 3K here, but I made them back immediately. And as you guys remember, we were stuck in this massive short trade in my last video. And yes guys, I was only waiting for the right moment to get out of this short position without a loss, because that's always the most important for me. And when we saw this volatile breakdown all the way down to the $99,800 level, I actually exited my short position, as you can see here, at $99,877 with a $1,700 profit. And yeah, we opened a new short after the Trump start of his presidency, right, the official start. I opened a new short position at the $108,000 level because I was expecting all of this volatility to only be because of our political news pretty much, and not really chart based or liquidation based, because as we can see on the liquidation heat map, we have a few more longs on the downside that the market makers could liquidate, but it is actually such a small amount that I don't think that the market makers will move the price in any direction. Currently, they already had so much natural volatility, so many people getting stopped out, losing trades or getting liquidated, that there's no need for the market makers to now artificially potentially move the price in any direction. And also, even if they would want to do it, there is no interesting level for them where they could grab a good amount of liquidations where it would be worth it to spend high amounts of dollars on spot or sell a lot of spot Bitcoin to achieve this price correction or pump. Now the question is, am I scaling up these short positions? Do I expect prices to fall lower, or can we expect a reversal for Bitcoin very soon? And guys, it is extremely simple what you need to keep an eye on. It's exactly 2 price levels. First of all, we have our rising channel here on the 4-hourly time frame that broke to the downside. We had a massive pump all the way against the resistance again. And as you guys know, what do we need for final confirmation? That's pretty simple. We need to close a 4-hourly below, and this is the $101,000 level, $101,300 level approximately. If we close a 4-hourly candle below that, guys, this would be the confirmation, and we would need to expect Bitcoin to fall below or at least to the $92,000 level, because this is our price target for this rising wedge and of this rising channel. And why would I say that we will definitely fall to that price area if we close a 4-hourly below? Because this would pretty much also confirm that Bitcoin is not able to hold its downward sloping support here on the daily time frame for our beautiful falling wedge. Because as you guys know, we were keeping an eye on this falling wedge for quite some time now here as well on the daily time frame, and we broke out of it. We are confirming the old resistance now as support potentially, but what do we need to see? And that's on the daily time frame. We would need a daily candle to close above the $104,500 level. Only if that happens, we would have a bullish confirmed breakout and would need to expect the Bitcoin price to reach levels of $120,000, $130,000 quite quickly actually. But for now, I have to be fully honest guys, I am in short positions, so I will only close them actually if we achieve this daily candle close above the $104,500 level. In this case, I would close my Bitcoin short, I would close my Solana short, I would take all the rest of the profits and potentially jump into a long scalp. But for now, I have to be honest, I will just keep an eye on the charts, and I will potentially scale my trades up, my short trades, if we are falling below the $101,200 level, right? So just keep an eye on these 2 things. You don't need to take a look at anything else in my opinion currently. As you guys know, if you want to have a green P&L history for months, to be actually a profitable trader, right? Provably, right? I'm pretty much one of the only people on YouTube that is consistently showing his closed P&L history, sharing all his trades live, his entries live. Almost nobody's doing it, right? So, and everyone is talking so complicated, maybe showing some trade that they didn't open in real time. It's mostly long positions, open for a long time in the bull market. Okay, I mean, yeah, that's a swing trade, right? In a bull market. I don't know. It's not the most difficult, right? But if you want to have a nice and clean P&L history, guys, don't overcomplicate things. That's the most important. People enter trades based on so many different indicators without knowing the specific weight of each indicator compared to the other indicator, what pretty much impacts the probabilities higher than other indicators, right? And that will then just lead to confusion, and especially if the price then goes into the wrong direction of a trade, a lot of people will start looking in indicators for signals that they were actually wrong, so they can exit their trade in a loss without feeling too bad. Then most of the time the price reverses, right? Because people complicate things, they get distracted by too many information points, and that's why, guys, keep it simple. I almost use 0 indicators. I most of the time don't even analyze the chart, I just get a feeling. But also I'm trading since 8 years, so it might just be a little bit different for me than for a beginner, that's for sure. But anyways, if you want to have some inspiration and understand a little bit more why I do things, guys, as I said, go on LeveX, search for CryptoMo, follow me there for free. As I said, it's completely free of charge. You can have, why am I too dumb to write right now? You can have another affiliate link. You can be signed up on LeveX with a different affiliate link. It doesn't matter. You can just follow me for free, and then you can just go here into exclusive content in your sidebar, and there you will get all of my posts, and you can visit my profile as well. And on my profile, you can just follow my trades live. So if I close them, take profit, adapt my stop loss, you can view everything live. So just make use of that. It's the best, besides my videos, to keep up to date with the things that I do. And for example, with the last couple of days when I was traveling and I didn't really have time to make a video, right? This was the best option for me to keep you up to date on what I am doing with my trades currently. But now, guys, subscribe, activate the bell, leave a thumbs up. We will see us in the next video, which will be tomorrow again. So yeah, expect daily uploads from now on. See you soon. Bye-bye.